In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix capped dice in Monopoly Go. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting, encountering capped dice can be a little frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through a simple process to get everything back on track. It should only take around 5 minutes, and you'll be ready to dive back into the game with ease. First, you want to start by opening up the Monopoly Go app. Make sure you've got the latest version for the best experience. If you haven't already downloaded it, you'll find it available in your device's app store. Once the app is open, you should be on the main screen, ready to fix those capped dice. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Friends section. This is an integral part of solving the cap issue because it leverages the social aspect of the game. The Friends section is typically easy to find, often marked clearly on the home screen. Just tap on it and you'll be redirected to the Friends page. On the Friends page, you'll see a couple of options. What you need to do here is click on either the Contact or the Invite button. If you're wondering why this step is important, it's because connecting with friends or inviting new ones can often refresh and reset various game features, including those capped dice. This subtle reset helps the game sync properly with the server, thus resolving any lingering issues with the dice. Remember, occasional connectivity issues can contribute to such problems as well. It's a good idea to ensure you're connected to a stable internet connection while performing these steps. This helps the game communicate any changes with its servers effectively. Also, if you haven't restarted your smartphone in a while, it might be a good idea to do so. A quick restart can clear up any background processes that might interfere with the app's functionality. If everything goes smoothly, you should now notice that the issue with capped dice has been resolved. By actively using the Friends feature, the game likely adjusted the dice caps and aligned them according to your current status and level. This quick fix allows you to continue on your Monopoly Go adventure without any hitches. In summary, it's as easy as opening the app, heading to the Friends section, and interacting using the Contact or Invite button. Give these steps a try and enjoy uninterrupted gameplay. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful. Keep rolling those dice, and happy gaming!